Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you an Instagram affiliate marketing complete workthrough. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to actually start an Instagram affiliate marketing program or course or venture in 2026 step by step. All right, so your first step in starting an Instagram affiliate marketing or actually starting Instagram affiliate marketing would be to pick a profitable niche. So I've said this a couple of times, but the best thing you can do for your business is to understand what actually sells, to understand what people actually need, to understand the basis of affiliate marketing. And picking a profitable niche is always the first step in choosing or deciding your business's future. Now, in 2026, the best affiliate niches on Instagram are AI tools, fitness and supplements, beauty and skincare, tech gadgets, digital products, that's templates and presets, finance, and side hustles. So, when you have all of these different niches, you could simply take from them. You could choose a niche like AI tools if you offer AI services. You could select the niche for fitness and supplements if you sell fitness related gear, or at least supplements that people can take that do not have dangerous effects on their body when they are actually trying to work out. Another thing that really sells is tech gadgets, or rather digital products like softwares and the likes. So tech gadgets are actually one of the ways to go if you want to get out of the niche. If you want to be the first on the niche when it comes to tech gadgets, you just need to pick the niche and find out what your competitors are doing. Now, the next thing you need to do in order to become an affiliate marketer is to actually join an affiliate program. So you can join a variety of affiliate programs. Amazon has it, Walmart also has an affiliate program, but I would suggest you go with Amazon Associates, or rather Amazon Affiliates, as they offer one of the best packages out there. They do not charge too high for their products, and it's really easy and seamless. All you need to do is just get exactly what is on the Amazon store and paste it on your Instagram, and it's done. So basically, once you open up Amazon Associates, once you open up this page here, it's going to lead you to where you can create an account, where you can actually create, an Amazon account, and you can just make use of it to recommend products and actually earn commissions. So that's what they do. Same thing with Walmart. So, home of Walmart affiliates. When you head over to Walmart affiliates, that's affiliate.walmart.com, you can become a Walmart affiliate and earn commission by connecting your audience to products they love. So, it's basically the same thing that occurs in Amazon. The only difference is it's done by Walmart. We have the same for Jumia and Konga and also AliExpress. AliExpress is quite the best because it's actually international. Same thing with Amazon and Walmart, but I would prefer you go with AliExpress as their shipping can go overseas like China. Now, if you're focusing on digital products, when it comes to physical products or rather general use products, you can get them. You can get your affiliate links or affiliate partnerships with Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart. When it comes to digital products, that's high commission. You can use Canva affiliate. So Canva affiliate actually exists. Yes, Canva has an affiliate program you can actually join when you just simply type in Canva affiliate. So if you can type in Canva affiliate and get yourself signed up, you would have successfully joined the Canva affiliate program. Yes, so just simply search for Canva affiliate and you can join the affiliate Canva program and actually start earning a commission every time someone signs up for Canva Pro. So this is one of the best ways to go about making some passive income. So you can make some passive income from Canva, you can make some passive income from Walmart, Amazon, AliExpress. Um, we also have this available for Fiverr, Coursera, ClickBank, Impact, Awin, and System.io. So these are all platforms that offer affiliate programs which aren't heard of. So you can use this for digital products. So let's say you own an Instagram account with a huge following and you post a video on Canva, you can just simply ask people to sign up for Canva affiliates, or rather you can just promote your Canva product, or rather Canva Pro. You can promote the Canva Pro on your Instagram reel or your Instagram uh, picture. Now, the next step is to actually create a simple Instagram theme page. So you can grow a faceless channel where you don't actually have to showcase your face, where you simply choose a content style, be it tutorials, before or after transformation, screenshots, carousels, quick reviews, AI generated content, or top five. You can have top five of anything, top five of cryptocurrencies, top five of anything in general. You can just have a top five content on your Instagram. Your Instagram account can be curated. That's why Instagram is opened up. You can actually open up Instagram on your computer or on your phone and actually create a faceless Instagram account where you just post content and add your affiliate links to your post. It's really easy to do. Just add your affiliate link. You could use it. You could do that using Linktree. Linktree is one of the best when it comes to linking or sharing your links to people, when you're trying to curate and sell from your Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. So you could just connect all 4 or 5 accounts and connect all 4 or 5 affiliate links to your Linktree. All right. So when it comes to creating a high conversion content, just try to find a problem and then find a solution. So you could just find a problem and then the solution is an AI tool. So let's say editing takes too long. You could showcase CapCut editor. That's the auto editor on CapCut Pro. You could also sign up for CapCut's affiliate program and simply share their link. That's how you can just get stuff done. And then you can use AI to speed up your content creation. So when you have AI tools like ChatGPT, you could just use them for script ideas, write your script, and simply showcase your script on your Instagram feed. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.